G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of Digital Scrapbooking HQ.com, and I'm so glad you've joined me today. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the layouts I've had printed using Persnickety prints. And here I am just flicking through all those beautiful layouts. I have really been happy with the results I've got from Persnickety prints. These are their 12 by 12 matte finish photos. And they're printed using the silver halide process, so they're waterproof and they last 100 years, no problems at all. So they're a professional photo lab based in Utah in the US, and I ordered these in an off-peak season, not during Christmas time or on when they had sales on, and they arrived pretty quickly, in less than 2 weeks for me in Perth, Western Australia. Usually for us, anything from the US takes a good couple of weeks. They processed my order and had the pages printed within a day of my initial order. So that's really great service. You can see that I've got both traditional scrapbook layouts and pocket style layouts from the Becky Higgins Project Life app. I hadn't printed those ones before, so I wanted to see how they'd turn out. The only thing I kind of regret about that process is that I actually printed them with 14-point font on there, and I think that's really a bit big for the 12 by 12. I use 14-point font on my digital scrapbook layouts, and that tends to look fine. So I just recommend, if you're printing 12 by 12 from the Project Life app, just make sure your text isn't too big. I'm going to be using point size of 12 or even 10 in the future. So I was really happy with all of that. And here lastly, you can see these are my 2-page layouts that I created, and I was so happy with how the colors looked, and the layouts were printed right to the edge, of course. Really great quality. So if you've been considering using Persnickety to get some of your digital layouts printed, go for it. I really recommend them, and they don't know I'm doing this review. It's totally unsponsored, and I paid a great price for their print credits, and I've bought them several times, and I've been happy with the results that I've had each time I've used them. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're interested in learning how to print your scrapbook layouts and have them looking this great when they come back, head to Digital Scrapbooking HQ and check out my class in print. In that class, I show you all the details about how I proof and print single-page prints and photo books. And if you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.